Good evening, students. This is the class 12th. Students, maybe all of you fit and fine. Dear students, maybe all of you subscribe my channels. Students, you subscribe and like and share my channels because this is helpful for you and for others. So if possible, then you subscribe my channels and send to those who has need to this type videos, means they are in study, they are in preparation. So you share these videos or these YouTube video. This is helpful for all students. So all of you care that. Students, in previous video we start the topic chapter that is the amines, and we have completed the classification and nomenclature of amines. So students, today we discuss the methods of preparation of amines. So methods of preparation of amines. Students, you know that there are two chapters. These are most important chapter, that is the aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, and the next chapter that is amines. So all of you pay attention. The first method by which we prepare the amine, that is by Schmidt reaction, SCHMIDT reaction. Students, if carboxylic acid reacts with the mixture of hydrazoic acid N3H and concentrate sulfuric acid. Listen, in this method carboxylic acid reacts with the mixture of hydrazoic acid yani N3H and concentrate H2SO4, then produce the 1 degree amine. Students, how it is possible? All of you look here, RCH. It convert, this is R means alkyl group, and this COO, this part, this reacts to, this is liberated as the carbon dioxide, and listen, this is N3H. So one nitrogen, listen carefully, one nitrogen, one hydrogen, and this one hydrogen. So means, listen, NHH, NH2, and how many nitrogen left? 2. So it is produced N2. So this is the by Schmidt reaction. Listen, in the place of hydrazoic and sulfuric acid, we can take a mixture of NaN3 and concentrate sulfuric acid. So all of you write the notes in this. Instead of concentrate sulfuric acid and N3H, means at the place of this we can take a mixture of NaN3 and concentrate sulfuric acid can be also used. Okay. The second method by which we can prepare the amines, that is reductive amination of aldehydes and ketones. Reductive amination of aldehydes and ketones. You know that the general formula of aldehyde is RCHO, and the general formula of ketone, that is R-CO. Amination means reaction with ammonia. Students, what happened? You know that this is the aldehyde. If aldehyde reacts with ammonia, then what happened? All of you look here. This two hydrogen reacts with oxygen, then produce water minus H2O. And what is the left? NH. So at the place of oxygen, the NH, the compound is known as imine, IMINE. And if this further reacts with hydrogen and nickel, then what happened? Two hydrogen add to this position, means one hydrogen add to this position and one hydrogen add to this position. So RCH2, one hydrogen here, so CH2, and one hydrogen here, NH2. So RCH2 NH2, this is the 1 degree amine. So if aldehyde reacts with ammonia, then in first step liberate the water molecule, the form imine, and if imine reacts with hydrogen in the presence of nickel, then it produces the 1 degree amine. Similarly, if we take the ketone, अगर यहाँ हम कोई कीटोन लें, अमोनिया का रिएक्शन कराएंगे, सेम प्रोसेस, 2 hydrogen reacts with oxygen then form the water molecule, and here the left NH, at the place of oxygen we write the NH. Okay, this is dialkyl, this is the 2 dialkyl catamine, this is the ketone, so we write the catamine. This is amine, this is catamine. If this reacts with the hydrogen in the presence of nickel, then what happened? 1 hydrogen at this place and 1 hydrogen at this place. So R dash यहाँ CH हो जाएगा and single bond NH2. This is also the 1 degree amine. Okay. Now the third method by which we can prepare the amines, that is by reduction of oximes. The third method, that is by reduction of oximes. So all of you pay attention. Oxim means NOH. अगर आपको याद होगा कि अगर हम NH2OH से रिएक्शन कराते हैं एल्डिहाइड और कीटोन का, तो आपका क्या बनता है? ऑक्सिम बनता है. तो आपने पीछे रिएक्शन कराया तो ये ऑक्सिम हुआ. ऑक्सिम का अगर हम रिडक्शन कराएंगे इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड और सोडियम ऑब्लिक C2H5, then what happened? 2 hydrogen reacts with oxygen then form the water molecule, and here the NH and 2 hydrogen, so 1 hydrogen at this place, so RH2, and 1 hydrogen means 2 hydrogen at this place. Listen one, this is the OH, this OH reacts with 1 hydrogen then form the water molecule. 3 hydrogen left, 3 hydrogen means 1 hydrogen at this place, so convert CH2, and the 2 hydrogen at this place, so it is RCH2 NH2 and water molecule. Similarly, if we take the any ketone, ये आपका एल्डोक्सिम मीन्स एल्डिहाइड से बना और ये कीटोक्सिम है. अगर कीटोन आप लेंगे, इसका सेम कराएंगे, सेम ही प्रोसेस होगी स्टूडेंट्स. ये OH जो है इसमें से एक हाइड्रोजन से रिएक्ट करके वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बनाएगा. अब स्टूडेंट्स क्या होगा कि इसमें से 3 हाइड्रोजन में से एक हाइड्रोजन इस प्लेस पे आ गया तो आपका हो गया CH, और 2 हाइड्रोजन इस प्लेस पे आ जाएगा तो हो गया NH2. तो ये दिस इज आल्सो 1 डिग्री. तो देयर आर द अदर मेथड बाय व्हिच वी कैन प्रिपेयर द एमाइंस. तो ऑल ऑफ यू पे अटेंशन. Students, the next process by which we can prepare the amines, that is reduction of azides. Third, we completed the third process. Now fourth process, that is the reduction of azides. What the formula of azides? Dear students, at first alkyl halide reacts with the sodium azide. What the formula of sodium azide? NaN3. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स होगा क्या, ये XNA से रिएक्ट करके NaX फॉर्मेशन कर दिया, और ये RNA3 दैट इज द R मींस एल्काइल और दिस इज एजाइड, एल्काइल एजाइड, एंड दिस एल्काइल एजाइड in the presence of lithium aluminium hydride or NaC2H5, it convert, you know that this is the reduction. Reduction means reaction with hydrogen. So reaction with hydrogen means one, देखिए ध्यान से, 2 hydrogen reacts with this, you know that this is the reduction. So how it is reduction? At first all of you look, that is RN3 plus hydrogen like this. Then what happened? N2, 2 nitrogen goes to N2 and 1 nitrogen and 2 hydrogen then form the RNH2, 1 degree amine. So this is the reduction of azides. The next process by which we can prepare the amines, that is the Gabriel thialamide synthesis. Gabriel, Gabriel, Gabriel thialamide synthesis. Dear students, if thialamide reacts with alcoholic KOH and further reacts with ethyl bromide, and after this it goes to hydrolysis, then produce the amines, and this reaction is known as the Gabriel thialamide reaction. Listen once again. If thialamide reacts with alcoholic KOH, then produce the potassium thialamide. Potassium thialamide further reacts with the ethyl bromide. It produces the N-ethyl thialamide, and on hydrolysis it produces the thialic acid and the ethyl amine. So all of you look and understand the reaction. Thialamide, the formula of thialamide, that is the benzene ring. COCONH. This is the formula of thialamide. If reacts with the alcoholic KOH, then this hydrogen reacts with OH, then form the H2O, and this potassium add to this position. So this is the potassium thialamide. And if this potassium thialamide reacts with the C2H5Br, ethyl bromide heating, then this K reacts with Br, then form the KBr, and at the place of potassium C2H5, this is added. So you know that N, this is N, C2H5 is ethyl, N ethyl, and this is the thialamide, N ethyl thialamide. And on hydrolysis, if goes to hydrolysis, then what happen? This hydrolysis means reaction with water. So here add the OH. So this is the OH, and hydrogen reacts to this, then C2H5NH2. C2H5NH2. This is the ethyl amine, and this is thylic acid, PHTHALIC, thylic acid. So this reaction is known as the Gabriel thialamide synthesis. The next process by which we can prepare the amine, that is Hofmann bromamide degradation method. Hofmann, HOFFMANN, Hofmann bromamide degradation method. What is the Hofmann bromamide degradation method? This is important reaction. Both are two. If alkyl amide, amide means CONH2, the compound contains CONH2, that is amide. If amide reacts with the bromine and potassium hydroxide, it produces the 1 degree amine, and this reaction is known as Hofmann bromamide degradation method. Listen once again. If amide reacts with bromine and potassium hydroxide, it produces the 1 degree amine, and this reaction is known as Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. How you write the reaction? Suppose that RNH2, RCONH2, CONH2 means the compound which contain the amide, CONH2 means amide, R means alkyl. तो amide Br2 और KOH से रिएक्ट करेगा, तो देखिए होगा क्या? सबसे पहले स्टूडेंट्स R और NH2, दिस फॉर्म द RNH2, एमाइन बनाया. अब स्टूडेंट्स K इससे रिएक्ट करेगा, देन फॉर्म द K2CO3, क्योंकि आप जानते हो कि K पर 1 पॉजिटिव होता है और CO3 पर 2 नेगेटिव, तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? K2CO3. एंड पोटेशियम रिएक्ट्स विद ब्रोमीन, देन फॉर्म द KBr, एंड द हाइड्रोजन रिएक्ट्स विद OH, देन फॉर्म द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. तो RNH2, K2CO3, 2KBr plus 2 water. And suppose that we take benzamide. Benzamide means this is benzene ring, CONH2 reacts with Br2 and 4KOH. Above this same reaction going on, this NH2 add to this position. This is the benzene ring NH2. This is aniline, and 2KBr, K2CO3 and 2 water. So if we want to form the aniline, then this is the benzamide. If benzamide reacts with bromine and 4KOH, then produce the aniline, benzene ring NH2. This is aniline and 2KBr, and this reaction is known as the Hofmann bromamide degradation reaction. Okay, there are some other methods by which we can prepare the amines. So all of you look here and try to understand. Maybe all of you understand these two reactions are most important, that is the Gabriel thialamide synthesis, and the second is Hofmann bromamide degradation method. Okay, now we discuss the 7th method by which we can prepare the amines. So all of you look here and try to understand what is the next process by which we can prepare the amines. The 7th method, that is by which we can prepare, that the reduction of amides, the reduction of amides, by the reduction of amides. Similarly students, this is amide, but this is the Hofmann bromamide degradation, but simply if we reduce the amide means the compound contains CONH2. Okay, so if we take any amide, general reaction, suppose that we write RCONH2, you know that this is amide. This is half man bromide, but this is the reduction of amide only. You know that reduction, we complete the reduction in the presence of any reducing agent. Suppose that we take lithium aluminium hydride in the presence of ether. You know that lithium aluminium hydride, this is the reducing agent, and followed by hydrolysis H2O. Then students, what happened? All of you look here. At first, if this goes to, then produce, it is RNH2. Listen carefully. The produce, that is RNH2. RNH2. Look here. This goes to RNH2, and the other product also we form, but we write the main product. At first this is need. Suppose that we take any. This is the amide, general formula. Suppose that if we take any amide, suppose that we write here the CH3, C double bond O and S. This. You know that how many carbon are there? 2 carbon. So this is the acetamide. The name of this, that is acetamide. If acetamide, same process going on. The first, that is lithium aluminium hydride in the presence of ether, hydrolysis. Okay. Then same product, that is the CH3NH2. Okay. The product, that is the, listen carefully. This is the 2 carbon, this is the CH3. All of you look here. Suppose that how many carbon are there, then the aldehydes is formed with the same number of carbon. There are the 2 carbon, so the amine that is formed the 2 carbon. Listen carefully. RCHNH2. Same condition. All of you look here. जितना कार्बन होगा उतना amine बनेगा. How many carbon are there? 2. So RCH2NH2. And how many carbon here? The 2. Then the product that is formed CH3, CH2, NH2. Here the 2 carbon, so form the 2. That is ethanamine. That is ethanamine. Okay. So this is the reduction of amines. Okay. This is half. अगर हाफ मान ब्रोमाइड आप कहेगा तो ब्रोमीन और केओएस से रिएक्शन कराएंगे एमाइड का, और अगर आपसे रिडक्शन कहेगा तो डायरेक्टली इसका रिडक्शन कराएंगे लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड और ईथर के प्रेजेंट में, एंड सेकंड फॉलोड बाय द हाइड्रोलाइसिस. So this is the process. Now students, the next process by which we can prepare the aldehydes, that is the reduction of nitro compound. Reduction of nitro compound. Nitro compounds. Students, nitro compound, you know that nitro group, NO2, all these are nitro. Suppose that we take any nitro compound जैसे R, ठीक. Reduction, आप जानते हो reduction means reaction with hydrogen. Suppose that this goes to the reduction. You know that any reduction goes in the presence of any reducing. Just like we take the रेनी निकिल. देखिए हमने कहा कि कोई भी रिड्यूसिंग, जैसे रेनी निकिल आप ले सकते हो, या आपको बताया गया पहले भी कि आप क्या ले सकते हैं, प्लेटिनम. प्लेटिनम के साथ साथ अगर आप चाहें तो पेरिडियम भी ले सकते हैं, पेरिडियम. कोई भी रिड्यूसिंग, या Na/C2H5OH कोई भी ले देंगे. तो देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इसका रिडक्शन कैसे होगा. यहाँ पर कितने हाइड्रोजन है? 6 हाइड्रोजन. तो सबसे पहले क्या होगा, देखिए ये आपका RNH2 में कन्वर्ट हो गया स्टूडेंट्स, RNH2. अब जरा सुनिए, यहां से कितने हाइड्रोजन में ऐड हुए? 2 हाइड्रोजन. अब बचे कितने? 4 हाइड्रोजन. 4 हाइड्रोजन 2 ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्ट करके 2 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल बना देंगे. अब देखिए 4 हाइड्रोजन एंड 2 ऑक्सीजन, 2 ऑक्सीजन एंड 4 हाइड्रोजन एंड 2, 6 हाइड्रोजन, 6. अब यहां पर अगर हम कोई भी ले लें, अब मान लीजिए AR की जगह पे कोई एराइल ले लें. एराइल मतलब जिसमें बेंजीन रिंग हो. अगर बेंजीन रिंग का लेंगे, सेम प्रोसेस यही कराएंगे. 6, same process going to we take any reducing agent just like the रेनी निकिल or any रेनी निकिल प्लेटिनम पैलेडियम. ये हमने बताया, इसके प्लेस पे आप जा सकते हैं और क्या लिख सकते हैं भाई, Na/C2H5OH भी ले सकते हैं. ये सारे रिएक्शन किस पर होंगे? रूम टेम्परेचर पर. रूम टेम्परेचर. अब देखिए सेम प्रोसेस वही होगा. इसमें से 2 हाइड्रोजन इसके साथ ऐड हो जाएगा, तो क्या बनाएगा? ArNH2 एंड आपका क्या बन गया? 2 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. अब AR का मतलब कोई भी अल्काइल. जैसे सपोज दैट हमने ये बेंजीन रिंग लिया, इसके ऊपर NO2 लगा दिया, नाइट्रोबेंजीन है, नाइट्रोबेंजीन का सेम रिडक्शन आप कराओगे लाइक दिस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑल दिस, देन व्हाट हैपेंड, यहां पर आपका हो गया बेंजीन रिंग, इसके एबव क्या लग जाएगा NH2 हो गया, NH2 के अलावा क्या बन जाएगा भाई 2H2O, ठीक। तो दिस इज द रिडक्शन ऑफ नाइट्रो कंपाउंड, ओके। नाउ द फर्स्ट लास्ट मेथड बाय विच वी कैन प्रिपेयर दैट इज amine. So all of you pay attention, the last method by which we can prepare the amines. So all of you pay attention and try to understand. The next ninth process, that is by ammonolysis of listen, by the ammonolysis of any ammonolysis means alkyl halide, any by the ammonolysis of alkyl halide, listen carefully, by the ammonolysis of alkyl halide. तो all of you pay attention, ammonolysis means reaction with ammonia, okay। देखिए alkyl halide means RX, ये रिएक्ट किससे किया, अमोनिया से, दिस रिएक्शन गोज एट द 373 केल्विन। अब स्टूडेंट्स होगा क्या, ध्यान समझिएगा, इसमें से आपका जो NH3 कंपाउंड है, ये NH3 कंपाउंड इसके साथ पहले क्या करेगा, एडिशन कंपाउंड बनाएगा। अब एडिशन कैसे होगा, दोनों इसके साथ ऐड होंगे, मींस एडिशन मींस R NH3X, लिसन, दिस इज R, this is NH3 and this is X, you know that this is the positive and this contain the negative, okay। Then what happened, this is the 1 degree amine salt, 1 degree amine salt बना। अब क्या होगा स्टूडेंट्स, जो 1 डिग्री एमाइन सॉल्ट आपका प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, ये फर्दर 1 डिग्री एमाइन सल्फेट फर्दर अमोनिया से रिएक्ट करेगा, मींस R NH3X, दिस फर्दर रिएक्ट्स विद अमोनिया। अब स्टूडेंट्स क्या होगा, जब ये फर्दर अमोनिया से रिएक्ट किया तो स्टूडेंट्स क्या करेगा, इसमें से देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, ये अमोनियम, ये आपका इसके साथ एक हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो जाएगा, NH4X बन जाएगा। क्या बन गया स्टूडेंट्स, NH4X, दिस इज पॉजिटिव दिस इज नेगेटिव। एंड स्टूडेंट्स अब बचा क्या, यहां पर NH2 बचा, क्योंकि एक हाइड्रोजन इसके साथ NH4 बना दिया तो ये NH2 इसके साथ ऐड हो जाएगा, तो दिस इज R NH2, this is 1 degree amine, this is 1 degree amine. So this is the ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Ammonolysis means alkyl halide reacts with ammonia at the 373 Kelvin, then produce the 1 degree amine salt, and 1 degree amine salt further reacts with ammonia, then form the 1 degree amine. Reaction समझ गए, 1 हाइड्रोजन इसमें इसके साथ रिएक्ट कर जाएगा, तो यहाँ NH3 था, एक हाइड्रोजन ऐड हुआ, क्या बन गया, NH4X बन गया, ठीक है। अब स्टूडेंट्स इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम ये है कि सपोज दैट ऑल ऑफ यू लुक हियर एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, सपोज दैट हमने फर्स्ट रिएक्शन, मान लिया आपने RNH2 बना दिया, लिसन, दिस इज RNH2, अगर इसको हम फर्दर RX से रिएक्शन करा दें, RX से 373 केल्विन टेम्परेचर पर, देखिए होगा क्या, अगर सेम ये रिएक्शन करेगा तो इसमें से एक इसके साथ ऐड हो जाएगा, मींस ये जो R था, R इसके साथ ऐड हुआ, क्या स्टूडेंट बनेगा, R2। अब जब ये 2 हुआ तो एक हाइड्रोजन यहां से कम होगा, एक हाइड्रोजन इससे रिएक्ट करके क्या बना लेगा स्टूडेंट्स, HX बना लिया, और यहां आपका क्या बन गया, NH बन गया, ठीक। देखिए ध्यान से, अब क्या होगा, जो ये आपका प्रोडक्ट बना, इस प्रोडक्ट फर्दर आपका सेम ही प्रोसेस होता जाएगा, ये फर्दर रिएक्ट कर लेगा आपका किससे, जैसे RX किया था 373 केल्विन पर, सेम प्रोसेस वही होगी, एक X अगेन इससे रिएक्ट करके क्या बनाएगा, HX। अब स्टूडेंट्स क्या हुआ, ये R यहाँ 3 हो जाएगा, तो आपका बन गया R3N, ओके। इट फर्दर रिएक्ट्स, अगेन ये रिएक्ट करेगा RX 373 केल्विन पर। अब क्या होगा, ये आपका देखिए ध्यान से, अब इसका प्रोसेस क्या होगा, इसका एडिशन हो गया। एडिशन कैसे होगा, ये R हो गया 4, R4 हो गया N। अब देखिए ध्यान से, इस R4N के साथ यहां पर क्या लगा हुआ, X, अब ये आपका हो गया पॉजिटिव और ये क्या हो गया, नेगेटिव, ये प्रोडक्ट हुआ। तो मींस जैसे जैसे आप देख रहे होंगे इसमें एडिशन होता जा रहा है, तो ये आपका कहलाएगा क्वाटरनरी अमोनियम सॉल्ट, दिस इज नोन एज द क्वाटरनरी अमोनियम सॉल्ट। तो ये अगर सेम प्रोसेस जो आपका ये 1 डिग्री एमाइन बना है, अगर इसका फर्दर रिएक्शन करेंगे तो ये प्रोसेस आपकी प्रोड्यूस होगी. तो ऑल दीज प्रोसेस बाय विच वी कैन प्रिपेयर द एमाइंस. तो ऑल दीज प्रोसेस यू पे अटेंशन and try to write the reactions by which we can prepare this. This is the half-Mohn ammonolysis reaction. This reaction is also known as half-Mohn ammonolysis reaction. Half-Mohn ammonolysis reaction. Half-Mohn ammonolysis reaction. Okay. So all of you maybe pay attention all these. So all of you see this video carefully and like, share and subscribe. So all of you take care and try to understand. Bye bye. Good night.